Hey guys, Trap Juice here. I'm gonna be building my first PC today and see how it goes. Hopefully I don't burn anything. First off, we're gonna be using a CPU i7 9700K in case we gotta overclock, you know, some League of Legends or something. Then we have a fan, cooling fan, power supply, Team Group SSD, the Seagate. I don't know what that thing's for, but someone told me to buy it. The guy I saw. This, I ain't gonna lie, I just paid like an extra $30 just for the lights. It's, you know, you gotta be studying. If not, what's the point? Right here, just bite. I don't even know what that thing is for. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know what it's for. I know it's a motherboard. What's a GPU? What's a gigabyte? I don't know, man. Gingerbread man. You know, once I watch a video, put it together, and play some games. Goddamn it, man. It's a GPU, homie. The graphics. It supports the graphics. What's it 3 fans for? I have no idea, but...
So cool.
Well, obviously. Who the hell is this kid over here, man? Who let this kid in on the set? And this is my tower. This is a beauty. It has 2 areas where cool goes in. I guess, I don't know. It has a magnetic strip. Man, let's start building this. First off, we're gonna start... I gotta redo it. What is the name of this thing, dude? First, we're gonna start with the motherboard. Let's see what we got here. Again, I have 0 experience with the computer. Oh, okay. Actually, we almost missed all this. The cables and the plate. This one should go on. It's depending on the material. What? Let's see here. Watch out. First off, let's see. Supposed to lift one of these things here. For sure. I think it's this one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Should I look? This cool sound effect. It's like when the capsule's open. Nice. Again, this is an i7 Intel processor. So you have to line up the pins, and there's supposed to be a piece there. There's a corner piece. Then you can see it. You have to line it up. Psst, I don't see no freaking triangle here. So you kind of grab it, and these are designed now where you can just drop it in there, and you'll feel it just like drop into place. Yep. And then this thing closes back up. Yikes.
It's supposed to.
Yeah, it's in.
That black part pops off. It'll pop off, but you have to keep it in case you need to return the motherboard.
Did you hit me in the face or something?
It's gonna pop off. You'll be fine. Right and down. There you go.
Boom. Look at that. Like a pro, bro. It's like I've done this once. There you go. You see, it just fits right in. You close it up. On to the next one. Next up is the fan. Heard this is the hardest part, but it's hard if you don't know how to put some screws in. Like, goddamn. So first off, let's see what we got here. See what we're working with. Cable, freeze remove. For installation. Oh, I didn't know how to paste. Paste. I think. Has to be paste. It's deep cool. Thermal compound. Yes. This is easy. It's like a puzzle. So depending on what type of computer you have, it's what you need to set it up with. You have to do the press. For the screws. Set them up here. It's a little tricky, but it's definitely doable. Wow. Damn.
This is easy. It's like a puzzle.
In order to screw that on, you're able to lift this and we just snap off. Yeah, that's at a little angle there. Luckily they give you some extra ones in case you mess it up. There we go. Now wow, look at that. Look how easy it's gonna be. It's exactly how it goes, not the other way.
Your motherboard said, help!
Help me! Help me!
So you kind of have to line up this with the middle one, and I would just click in place, and it's leaning more towards one side than the other. So first open these, there we go. Like balls of that, and I just snap, crackle, pop. Come on, buddy, you can do it. There we go. And it just closes by itself. Look at that. Let's make sure it is in on both sides. Yep. So we have
It's not a huge.
informal sources telling us pay attention to the colors. You're supposed to put them on the gray ones first.
2 and 4.
And 2 and 4. No way, so you're not cooperating. Boom. And now you can see when they light up, more space in between them. Alright. Next off, the SSD. And then we still brought that goddamn knife.
What
But I
knife
still want the
for?
knife. What am I paying you for, huh?
You're not!
See, now this is the hardest part right here. It's the trickiest part, okay? And that's it.
What
And
the fuck was that?
It's gonna come all the way off. We're in, boys. It lights up. Bam. Some mounting screws on here. It's depending on your board and which ones you have. For my setup, so you can see here, there's a hole here, hole here, hole, 2 holes there, and 1 on each side. There's a total of 6, if I'm correct. So there's 1, 2, and there's another one here. Click, and you go. Right there. You can start connecting all these other fans as well. This one, part of that one up. Here we have the Gigabyte. Your boy got high quality stuff.
Okay.
Wow, look at this high quality stuff. Wow.
That's so
Triple fan action. Live action, boys. Look at that. Oof. Living the dream. Oh no. Alright, so we plugged in all the wires. We are missing 2 components. We just don't have the wires, but at this point we should be able to boot it up. Everybody gets a little nervous. Ooh. And see guys, anybody can do it. I just bought the parts off PC Part Picker. I'll put it down in the description. I followed a video, a little tutorial, and that's all it took. Next thing is the operating system and all that boring stuff you guys don't care about. Thank you for stopping by. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Here's your bite.